Chapter 1. Intro. Hey everyone, great to see you back on the channel. Keeping your home clean is one of those jobs that never really ends. Unless you have a little robotic helper doing the hard work for you. Today we are checking out the MONSGA Robot Vacuum MR7 Pro. It promises 8,000 pascals of suction power, LiDAR navigation, a 90-day self-emptying dock, and the ability to vacuum and mop your floors with minimal effort from you. But are those impressive specifications reflected in real-world performance? Can it navigate around furniture without getting lost? Does the mopping feature actually clean the floor? And is it good enough to replace your current vacuum? That's exactly what we're going to find out in this review. Chapter 2. Disclaimer. Before we get started, I just want to be completely transparent with you. MONSGA kindly sent me this robot vacuum and mop for the purpose of this review. However, they had no input into this video and no influence over my opinions. As always, everything you'll see and hear is based entirely on my own testing and real-world experience, so you can expect my honest and unbiased review. Chapter 3. Unboxing. Now let's open the box and see exactly what MONSGA includes with the robot vacuum. Right on top, you'll find a quick start guide, an accessories box, the protective docking pad, the self-emptying docking station, and, of course, the robot vacuum itself. Opening the accessories box reveals 2 side brushes, a mop plate with the mop pad already attached, 1 spare mop pad, the full user manual, a 2-year warranty leaflet, 1 spare dust bag, an extra filter, and a cleaning tool for routine maintenance. There is one more surprise. The remote control, complete with batteries, is hidden inside the docking station. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's get it assembled and ready for its first cleaning mission. Chapter 4. Assembling. Let's start by preparing the robot vacuum. Remove all the protective packaging. Then attach the side brush. Next, connect the protective docking pad to the docking station. Place it in a suitable location and plug it into a power outlet. Finally, place the robot on the docking station and switch it on. If you plan to use the remote control, simply insert the supplied batteries and it's ready to go. With the hardware now ready, it's time to configure the robot and unlock all of its smart features. Chapter 5. Mobile app. The MONSGA Robot Vacuum works with the Smart Life mobile app, available for both Android and iOS. Simply download the app to your mobile device, create an account if you don't already have one, and sign in. The robot vacuum should be detected automatically, Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. During the pairing process, make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Then enter the credentials for that same network in the Smart Life app when prompted. Once the setup is complete, use the fast mapping feature to quickly create an accurate map of your home. After the mapping process is finished, your robot vacuum is fully configured and ready to start cleaning. Chapter 6. Home Assistant. To add the MONSGA robot vacuum to Home Assistant, you'll need the Tuya integration. Open the Smart Life app, go to Settings, then Account and Security. Here you will find your Smart Life user code. The user code is case-sensitive, so make sure you enter it into Home Assistant exactly as it appears in the app. Home Assistant will then display a QR code. Scan it with the Smart Life app and confirm the login request. Click Submit to finish the setup. You can then rename the robot and assign it to the appropriate room. That's it. Your MONSGA robot vacuum is now available in Home Assistant, where you can monitor its status, start or stop cleaning, and build automations to make cleaning completely hands-free. Chapter 7. Amazon Alexa. You can also control the MONSGA robot vacuum using your voice once it's connected to your preferred voice assistant. For Amazon Alexa, simply enable the Smart Life skill, and your robot vacuum will be ready to respond to basic voice commands. Chapter 8. Cleaning Test. It is time to see the MONSGA robot vacuum in action. Let's begin with vacuuming. In the cleaning settings, I'll select vacuum only. Although this robot offers up to 8,000 pascals of suction power, I'll leave it on the standard suction setting for this test. Confirm the settings and start cleaning. As you can see, the robot successfully detects and avoids the box I deliberately placed in its path. The cleaning cycle is now complete, and the floor looks nice and clean. Now let's test the mopping function. Remove the water tank. Fill it with clean water. And reinstall it. Next, attach the mop plate. This time, I'll change the settings to mop only and set the water flow to high. Confirm the settings and let the robot get to work. The mopping cycle is now finished, and the floor looks great. Thanks to the protective docking pad, the robot can return to the docking station even with a wet mop attached. However, I would recommend removing the mop pad afterwards, giving it a quick wash, and allowing it to dry before the next use. As for the remaining water in the tank, I'd only leave it there if I plan to mop again soon. Otherwise, I'd empty the tank so I can refill it with fresh water for the next cleaning session. Chapter 9. Conclusion. So, what do I think about the MONSGA Robot Vacuum MR7 Pro? Overall, I'm genuinely impressed, and a few features really stand out. One of them is the protective pad attached to the docking station. It is moisture and corrosion resistant, helping to protect your floors when the MR7 Pro returns to the dock with a wet mop. The 8,000 pascals maximum suction power is impressive. The 4-liter self-emptying dock is another big advantage. It automatically empties the dustbin, meaning you can go for up to 90 days without needing to empty it manually. Navigation performance is also very good. Thanks to the LiDAR sensor, the robot scans your home and follows a systematic row-by-row cleaning pattern rather than randomly moving around. If you have a multi-level home, you'll appreciate that it can store up to 5 floor plans. So there is no need to remap your home every time you move the robot to a different floor. Battery life is solid too. The MR7 Pro can clean areas of up to 2,690 square feet on a single charge. The 460 milliliters water tank is also a nice addition. I also like the flexibility when it comes to control. Whether you prefer the remote control, the mobile app, smart home platforms, or a voice assistant, there are plenty of ways to control this device. Features like scheduled cleaning, room and zone cleaning, no-go zones, and custom cleaning settings make it easy to adapt the robot to your home and cleaning routine. And finally, the price. Considering everything included, I think MONSGA has created a very competitive package. The only issue I experienced was the firmware update process, which timed out several times before completing successfully. So, would I recommend it? Of course, this isn't the most advanced robot vacuum on the market, and there are premium models available with additional features if you're willing to spend significantly more. However, when you consider the overall package, performance, and price, I genuinely don't think you can get much better in this price range. If you are looking for a capable robot vacuum and mop with solid performance, great features, and smart home support without breaking the bank, I have no hesitation recommending the MONSGA Robot Vacuum MR7 Pro. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, check the video description below, where you'll find links to the product and an exclusive discount code. Chapter 10. Thank you. And that's it for my review of the MONSGA Robot Vacuum MR7 Pro. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this review useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Your support really helps the channel. Hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay fully charged, stay clean, and keep exploring.